Hey Russell fam, in today's video I am hosting a homeschool state law collab. Be back in just a second. Hi, my name is Becky and this is Russell's Loving Life. If you are new to our channel, welcome. We are so glad you are here. Please consider subscribing and clicking that little bell notification. That will let you know every time we upload a new video. Here on this channel, we talk about homeschooling, homeschool tips, and homemaking and everything in between. We also have a blog, which is russellslovinglife.com. Make sure to check that out and subscribe to our email list. We also have a homeschool supply store on there where you can get some awesome deals on some homeschool stuff. I'll leave a link down in the description box for that. So make sure you check that out. And if you are a returning Russell fam, we are so glad you are back. Sorry, had to get some coffee. In today's video, I am hosting a collaboration with a lot of awesome homeschool moms. I will leave the playlist down in the description box where every homeschool mom is going to talk about their state laws, their homeschool state laws for their specific state that they are in. And I just want to put a disclaimer in there. I'm not an attorney. I'm not giving you legal advice. I'm just telling you my laws in the state of Mississippi as they are for 2020, and check out the Homeschool Legal Defense Association. I check them out every year to make sure my state laws have not changed, that everything has stayed the same. So you can also become a member with them, so check them out. The state of Mississippi is what you would call a homeschool friendly state. There are not very strict restrictions on our homeschooling that we have to do. All I am required to do once a year is fill out a homeschool certification form and turn it in to our attendance officer once a year by September 15th. That is all I am required to do. And that is for ages 6 through 17, which is pretty much first grade through your senior year. So that is all that we have to do in the state of Mississippi. I know some states require you to keep up with your homeschool days that you homeschool. A lot of states want you to homeschool for 180 days. We don't do that, but I keep up with all my records. We don't have to notebook here in Mississippi, but I keep a notebook for every year. I keep all the curriculum stuff. I keep it just in case my homeschool laws change. So if I have to provide something when Bailey's in high school that he did back in 5th grade, I will have all of those records. So I know here in Mississippi, we're not required to do that right now. I don't know if we will ever be required, but I want to be prepared. So I try to make sure that I keep records for everything. So I'm not saying that you have to, I'm just saying that's what we do. If you are thinking about homeschooling your child and your child is currently enrolled in a public or private school in the state of Mississippi, you are required to formally withdraw them from that public or private school. And then you have to fill out the form saying that you intend to homeschool. So I did want to put that little bit in there to let you know that I didn't have to do that because Bailey and Becca both have been homeschooled from the beginning. So if you are thinking about homeschooling, make sure that you formally withdraw your child. I hope you found this collaboration to be helpful. Make sure to check out the playlist in the description box of all the states. If you know someone that is thinking about homeschooling in one of the states that is in there, share that playlist so they can check out their homeschool laws as well. As always, remember to be kind, be careful, be considerate, and have a great day. Bye.